Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial with FX Easy Pro. If you don't know us yet, we provide Forex, crypto, indices, and stocks markets, uh, buy or sell alerts. We don't give signals, but we only give you a uh, we identify potential upward or downward trends for you, and with a very basic knowledge of trading, which we also teach you in both our YouTube channel and our website, which is fxeasypro.com. You can easily gain a lot of profit. So if you hadn't checked out our website yet, please go to our website, which is fxeasypro.com. We provide both 7-day free trials, and if you were satisfied with our alerts, then you can start a premium monthly plan, and that's it. We provide alerts, buy or sell alerts in over 400 markets. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to this today's tutorial, which is about trends. Okay, so one of the very vital um, trading skills is for you to be able to identify support and resistance lines, which I thought you um, I taught you yes, last previous video. And in today's video, I would like to talk about another very important part, which is being able to identify trends. Okay, so basically in Forex, most of the people are either um, trend traders or reversal traders. And what does that mean? It means that you either want to get in a trade as soon as possible and profit along the way, or you want to wait for the trend to finish and then profit in the opposite direction. Okay, um, I know it's a bit confusing. I'm going to um, walk you through all of it, so don't worry. Okay, so what is a trend? We have two kinds of trends, which are a downward trend and an upward trend. Okay, and what is their difference? Okay, so right now I'm demonstrating you these two trends in a daily chart, Euro USD. Um, and okay, so let me zoom out a little bit, and it will be easier for you to identify trends. Okay, so here we have a very major downward trend. Euro USD has been in a downward trend for like let me see, for about 7 months. And okay, so if you were able to get into this position and start taking profit for like in the first maybe 5 months, you would still profit um, very big. So let's see how to identify trends. Okay, so we need this line here. This one is called the draw trend line, so it's pretty obvious. This one was to for identifying or marking support and resistance lines. This one is to for marking trend lines. Okay, so I draw a line like this, okay, to show you what a uh, trend looks like. Okay, Let me draw another one. Maybe in the beginning it would be better for you to draw like two lines like this. It helps you more. But um, how do we um, explain a downward trend? A downward trend is when uh, the each peak of the price is lower than the previous peak, and also each bottom of the price is lower from the previous uh, bottom. Okay, so both each peak is lower than the previous one. Okay, so this one is a peak. It is previous. It is below the previous peak. This one is below the previous peak. This one is below the previous one. Okay, and also each bottom like this is below the previous one. Okay, so you have to um, practice a little bit. Okay, I know at first it might be a little bit confusing, and uh, you might be like, okay, so this one is a bottom, what should I do? This one is also a bottom, it is higher than the previous one. It doesn't work like that. You have to um, train your eyes and um, somehow widen your perspective. Okay, it's not like when we say each peak it must be lower than the previous one. um, it's somehow metaphoric. It's not like every time that we have a very even a very small peak it must be below the previous one. Okay, so this is a peak but it is higher than the previous one. But when you have trained your eyes and you have demonstrated a lot, then you'll be able to recognize each peak from the peaks that are matter, or should I say, and also the bottoms again. So as you can see, here we have a downward trend, a major downward trend. And now in here, traders divided into two categories. Some of them prefer to get into the trend as soon as possible, maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. Even here, still they will gain some profit. And some traders prefer to stop for the trend to end and then get in the opposite direction. Okay, and what is the opposite direction? It is an upward trend. Okay, so this one might be a tricky upward trend. Let me find a better one for you. Okay, this one is much better. Okay, so what is this? This is an upward trend. An upward trend is exactly the opposite of a downward trend. Okay, and so how is it? It's when each bottom is higher than the previous bottom and each peak is higher than the previous peak. Okay, so this is called a upward trend. So also you have, for this one you have to be able to train your eyes. um, these are prices. Okay, so they are not how should I say, they are not like drawings or something that you expect to be flawless. And when we say, for example, an upward trend, it shouldn't be just exactly in the between the lines. You might see in some books, they usually have pictures like this, and they show you something like this in books or in some I don't know, videos. They show you something like this and say, okay, this is an upward trend, and it creates an illusion that you think that, okay, so an upward trend is like this, it must be so flawless, and not even this shouldn't be observable. It should be just in between the lines, but that's not true. Okay, I'm showing you this on purpose to show you that you have to train your eyes, and you have to know that it's not about being perfectly between the lines. It's about following a pattern that you will be able to recognize only by practicing. Okay, so that was an up trend lines, and also with upward trend again, traders divided into two groups. Some of them prefer to get in the business as soon as possible in the trend and profit along the way. Some of them prefer to wait as reversal traders, and when the trend ends, uh, profit in the opposite direction. But it is too soon for you to start having your deciding on your strategy. uh, Before everything, you have to be able to draw these lines and be able to recognize upward and downward trends, and um, support and resistant lines. Uh, but if you don't have time to uh, you know practice all these and learn and find out your own strategy, you can trust us. We analyze the market with our artificial intelligence, which is based on um, best strategies created by best traders. All you have to do is know how to open and close an order, and also how to set your volume, which I have explained them all in my previous YouTube videos. So if you don't have time for to learn all these strategies, just make sure to check out our website and joining our big family. That was it for today. See you soon. Don't forget to practice, and if you liked the video, give the video a thumbs up please, and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Goodbye.